One bad seat cover can make a Toyota Tundra feel cheaper overnight, but the right set can make it feel brand new, protect your resale value, and save your factory upholstery from kids, dogs, tools, mud, coffee, you name it. Today, we're counting down the 7 best seat covers for Toyota Tundra, from good enough protection to the set that genuinely feels like an OEM interior upgrade. 7. Rough Country Neoprene Seat. If you've ever worn a wetsuit, you already understand the core idea of neoprene seat covers. It's a tough, water-resistant material that's designed to handle moisture and daily abuse without feeling like a plastic trash bag. Rough Country's Tundra neoprene setup is built around that get in dirty, hose it down later mindset, and it does deliver a solid baseline layer of protection, especially if your truck sees muddy boots and unpredictable weather. Rough Country also markets their neoprene covers as a practical option that still allows access to things like airbags and seat adjustments, which is the minimum standard for any modern truck seat cover. What I liked most right away was the general feel. Neoprene has that slightly cushioned, grippy texture so you don't slide around when you're climbing in and out. It's not luxurious, but it's functional, and it feels like it belongs in an off-road build. The design approach is also focused on durability. Rough Country highlights a multi-layer construction with foam padding, and in day-to-day use, that padding does take the edge off long drives, especially if your factory seats are on the firmer side. Now for the honest part. Neoprene is great at resisting water, but it can still hold on to smells and grime if you don't clean it regularly. If you're dealing with sweaty gym days, wet dogs, or a lot of dust, the material can start to feel lived in faster than leatherette-style covers that wipe clean. 6. CoverCenter for Toyota Tundra seat covers. CoverCenter is one of those brands that grabs attention because the listing usually promises a custom-fit vibe, and on first impression, the set does look like it's aiming for that tailored, made-for-your-truck shape. For basic protection, especially against daily friction wear, light spills, and the kind of grime that builds up from commuting, this is the type of cover that can make sense for a lot of owners who just want something installed quickly and forgotten. When I tested it on a Tundra seat, the main positive was coverage. You're getting protection on the key contact zones, seat base, backrest, and the areas that usually crease and wear out first. That matters because once factory material starts cracking or staining, it's expensive to fix, and covers are basically cheap insurance. Even a mid-level cover can preserve your interior long-term if it fits well and stays put. But here's where I have to be a little critical. Custom fit can be a slippery phrase online. Some sets fit tight in one area and loose in another, depending on your exact trim and seat configuration. If you're the type who notices small wrinkles or slightly misaligned seams, this can bug you, especially in the first couple of weeks. It's not a disaster, but it's also not that wow, these look OEM moment. The other thing, seat covers need to respect safety features, especially side airbags. Many reputable seat cover designs include special tearaway stitching zones so the airbag can deploy correctly. 5. LUCKYMAN Car Seat. Now we start getting into the seat covers that feel like a real transformation. LUCKYMAN is popular in the Tundra world because it aims for that leather-style interior look without the OEM leather price tag. And from my testing, it does a good job of making the truck feel more upscale the moment you close the door. The texture has that leatherette vibe, smooth, easy to wipe, and visually cleaner than fabric-style covers. The biggest benefit in real life is cleanup. If you've ever had a drink spill or you've transported kids with snacks, you already know why leatherette is so popular. Most messes wipe right off. Compared to neoprene, leatherette tends to be more stain-resistant and more forgiving in daily use because it doesn't absorb as easily. That difference shows up fast once you've lived with both materials. Fit-wise, LUCKYMAN's Tundra-focused sets generally do a good job following the seat shape, especially across the seat base where cheaper covers often bunch up. Once installed, it gives that tight appearance that makes the whole interior look newer. It's also the kind of cover that looks good in photos and videos, important if you're the type who takes pride in keeping the cabin looking sharp. Where it's not perfect is breathability. Leatherette can feel a bit warm in hot weather, and if your truck sits in direct sun, you'll feel that heat when you first hop in. 4. EKR Tundra Seat Covers. EKR is where things start feeling more engineered and less generic. Their Tundra seat covers are designed around the idea of a tighter, more factory-inspired fit, and EKR leans heavily into materials and construction quality. Double stitching, multi-layer build, and a leatherette surface that aims to be durable and comfortable. In day-to-day use, that construction matters, because seams are usually the first failure point on cheaper covers. One of the first things noticed after installing EKR is how much it changes the cabin's newness. The edges look more finished, the panels look more structured, and it doesn't give that loose, universal seat cover vibe. EKR also positions their covers as durable and breathable, which helps reduce that sticky feeling some leatherette covers can have. Functionality is another win. Good seat covers need to keep access to seatbelt buckles, controls, and any fold-down features. With EKR, the attention to cutouts and placement feels more intentional, like it was patterned to match the seat layout rather than just stretched to fit. That's the kind of detail you appreciate every time you adjust your seat or use the back seat features. Water resistance is also solid for normal life. No seat cover is a submarine, but EKR rates its leatherette for daily use spill resistance and strong stain resistance, which is exactly what most Tundra owners need. Muddy pants and the random "how did that get there" mess. 3. Aierxuan Toyota Tundra. Aierxuan comes in with a very specific appeal. It's designed to give you that diamond-stitched, premium interior aesthetic that looks more custom than stock. The brand focuses heavily on waterproof leather-style material and also emphasizes airbag-friendly design, both important if you're upgrading a truck that still needs to function like a modern safety system is supposed to. In real testing, the visual upgrade is the biggest reason this lands at number 3. If you want the interior to feel more high trim, this style does it. It's the kind of cover that makes passengers assume you reupholstered the seats, especially once everything is installed tight and the headrests match cleanly. Practical use is strong too. The wipe clean surface makes everyday maintenance simple, and it does well against dust and dirt buildup because you're not fighting fabric fibers. That's especially helpful if you're using your Tundra as an actual truck, moving gear, pets, or just living an active lifestyle. What matters for any modern truck is safety and compatibility. Aierxuan highlights airbag-friendly design, and that's something to prioritize across brands. Proper stitching zones and correct orientation help ensure side airbags can deploy as intended. Always verify your exact model year and seat type, because the best cover in the world is useless if it doesn't match your seat layout. For owners who want a bold interior upgrade that still aims to be practical and protective, Aierxuan is a strong top 3 choice, especially if style is part of the mission. 2. Coverado Toyota Tundra Seat Covers. Coverado is the set that impressed me most in terms of premium feel for the money. It's one thing for a seat cover to look decent online. It's another thing for it to feel substantial in hand, install cleanly, and then still look tight after a week of driving. Coverado tends to show up in best of lists for Tundra seat covers, and after living with it briefly, it makes sense why. The material is the big story. Leatherette done right has a soft, slightly padded feel, and it doesn't scream aftermarket. It blends in. That matters in a Tundra because the cabin is big and visible. If the covers look cheap, the whole interior feels cheaper. Coverado avoids that by going for a more refined finish that still prioritizes wipe-clean practicality. Fit and stability are also strong points. Once installed, the covers stay in place well during normal entry-exit, and they don't bunch up the way budget sets often do around the seat base corners. Even if you're in and out of the truck all day, job sites, errands, school pickup, this kind of stability is what keeps a cover from becoming annoying. Another thing, modern Tundras have a lot going on: seat controls, potential heating, cooling, airbags, fold-down functions. The more vehicle-specific a cover feels, the less compromise you make in daily use. And Coverado sits in that sweet spot where it feels like it was designed with real-world use in mind, not just to look good in a product photo. 1. YIERTAI Tundra Seat Covers. YIERTAI takes the #1 spot because it offers that rare combination of tough protection, premium styling, and a surprisingly complete feel once installed. The set is often described as waterproof leather and designed for a wide range of Tundra trims and years, which is important because Tundra owners aren't all driving the same seat configuration. When the fit matches your exact setup, the result feels like a true interior upgrade rather than a temporary cover. In hands-on use, the first win is the way it changes the cabin visually. The seats look sharper, cleaner, and more uniform, especially if your original upholstery is faded or stained.
It gives you that new truck feeling without making you baby your interior.
And that's the whole point of a good seat cover. The second win is protection. Waterproof leather-style material is practical because spills don't become permanent stains and dirt doesn't grind into fibers like it does on cloth. For families, pet owners, and anyone who actually uses their Tundra like a truck, that wipe-clean surface can save a lot of time and frustration over the long run. It also helps that YIERTAI is commonly listed with pros and cons in a realistic way. One recurring note is that installation can take some adjusting. That matches the reality of most full-coverage, tailored-looking kits. The better it looks when finished, the more time it usually takes to get everything seated and aligned properly.